Hi guys, today we will talk about how to upload resume on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app. Then when you click here on app in this picture, sorry, we will go up on this picture. It's going to show for you like this, and you click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for your window like this, and you just click here on data privacy here. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down here. Then you come here to so you click here on job application settings, and you come to this window, you click here on upload resume, you will click here. Then it's going to take you to your phone here, and you just choose here what you want to upload resume on your LinkedIn app, and it's going to add with you on your LinkedIn app. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.